Hey guys, what's up? This is Roge Fishing Adventures and welcome to my channel. So this time guys, we're going to open 3 packages that was delivered to me by Shopee. So to start with, we have here a package. Okay, this is a fishing reel pouch for a Baitcaster. Okay, let's see. Okay, so here it is. It's a Daiwa Baitcaster pouch. Let me check. Oh, pretty strong. Okay, so here as you can see, I have my Daiwa Baitcaster PS2B, PS2 5B. Okay, I'm going to check. This one fits. Okay, so tamang-tama. Yan, ang ganda. Tsaka makapal yung ano niya, yung material. Yung foam. Ayos, so protected yung Baitcaster natin. Okay, so the second one will be this one. I ordered also a fishing plier para magamit natin sa susunod na mga videos natin dahil magkakaroon tayo ng tutorial videos. So, abangan niyo po yan guys ha. Alright. So, eto na. Okay. So, I ordered the color blue at ito na nga siya. Tingnan natin. Tama yung sinelong seller. Ayan, ayos. Wow. So ito guys, pamputol din ng pamputol ng braided line or ng nylon line. Ito. Tapos ito naman panghawak ng ng fishing hook pag nasa bibig ng isda. Ayan. Okay, pwede rin na sa bibig mismo ng isda. Ito yung hahawak na sa bibig niya. Para kahit gumalaw yung isda, pwede mong kukunin yung fishing hook. Ayan. Napakaganda. Ayan. Alright, ayos. So, the last one will be this one. Ito guys, naglalaman naman ito ng isang bench vise. Para, halimbawa, ilalagay natin dito, kapag nag-tutorial tayo, ilalagay natin dito. Tapos, i-clip natin yung fishing hook para hindi madali yung kamay natin ng fishing hook. This is a bench vise. Ayos balot na balot. Tsaka meron pang bubble wraps aside from this. Alright, so ito na siya guys. Intact na intact yung cartoon. Ayun. Ito na siya. Ayun. Yan guys. Ganda. Smooth rin siya. Ayan, so pwede natin siyang ilagay dito. Pwede siyang ilagay dyan. Tapos, eto guys. Let's take a closer look. Ito yung paghihigpitan mo siya. Dito ilalagay yung fishing hook. Para hindi madali yung kamay natin. So, working lahat. Okay, so worth it naman yung binili natin sa Shopee, So, eto, locally ito siya. Binili ko locally sa online. Tapos, itong fishing plier, ito naman ay overseas. Tapos, itong Daiwa na fishing reel pouch ay galing din ng overseas. So overall guys, 5 stars pa rin. At saka kay Manong Driver na napakabait at suki na namin dito sa amin. Tell me what you can say sa video na to. Drop your comments and then give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay? So this has been Roge's Fishing Adventures. Love God, love people, love fishing.